In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate Square payments with your Shopify store. This setup allows you to expand your payment options and provide customers with a smoother checkout experience. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for your Shopify store. Next, click on Payments. Inside the Payment section, you'll see the payment providers currently connected to your store. Now look for the option called Choose a Provider and click on it. This will open a list of third-party payment providers supported by Shopify. Inside the search field, type Square. If Square Payments is available in your region, it should appear in the provider list. Once you see Square, click on it to begin the integration process. Shopify will now guide you through the connection setup. You may be asked to log in to your Square account and authorize Shopify to connect with it. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions and approve the required permissions. After the authorization is complete, Square payments will be linked to your Shopify store. You can now begin accepting payments through Square during checkout. This integration can help provide customers with a reliable payment option while also improving payment management for your business. If Square does not appear in the provider list, availability may depend on your country or Shopify region settings. In that case, you may need to use a compatible third-party integration app instead. After setup is complete, it's always a good idea to run a test transaction to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Square payments with Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.